In this video, I will show you how to download Jump Force on a laptop. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to google.com. From here in the search box, just go ahead and type Jump Force and then press enter. And what you want to do is click onto the top result. So this is Bandai Namco Entertainment, which are of course the game developers. So what you want to do is click onto this. And that's going to take you across to a page like this. Now to go ahead and download Jump Force, really easy. All you need to do is just scroll down the page slightly and you're going to see some information about the game. But if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see this media section, and just underneath here, this is where you can come to actually download Jump Force. As you can see, it says available now. So what you want to do first is select what edition of Jump Force you want to download, whether that's the standard, collector's or the ultimate edition. Next, you just want to select the platform that you want to download this for. As you can see, currently it's available for PlayStation 4, Xbox One and PC. And once you've done that, you finally just need to select your retailer from the drop down box down here. And once you've done that, so I'm going to go for the Xbox Store, for example. Then what you want to do is press the Buy Now button here. Once you've done that, that's going to take you across to the page where you'll be able to go ahead and buy and download Jump Force. So that is how to download Jump Force on laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.